What's up everyone, it's Kows. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my fresh spring dewy makeup look using very minimal products. If you guys want to know how I achieved it, just keep on watching. So I think I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to use vitamin E oil to moisturize your face, but that is exactly what I use, and I'm going to use that to moisturize my face. So once I have my face moisturized, I really should moisturize my hands too, but once I have my face moisturized, I'm going to go ahead and use my primer. And the primer that I've been using currently is the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. It's good because it's really moisturizing and I love it. So after I prime my face, I'm going to go ahead and color correct. I'm one of those people that cannot do their makeup without a color corrector. I cannot. Like, it's just a must for me. It just makes my life so much easier. So next I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation, and I can't believe I'm almost actually finished with this foundation. I've never finished the freaking foundation in my life. If you guys are wondering and can't tell by the bottle, this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I'm out of it. I don't understand how I'm out of it. Like, it's so heartbreaking. Ooh, look, I got some out. Okay, this might be the last use, but guys, lately I've been using brushes for my foundation. It just makes my life so much easier and I love it. And I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my under eyes. I use a mixture of two concealers basically, but it's okay because these concealers don't really break the budget, and they are the ColourPop concealers. I have one in Tan 50 and Deep Golden. Deep Golden is like a bit too dark for me, so I use that to conceal some more. And then this one is a bit lighter than me, or lighter than my skin, so I use it to highlight or brighten up my dark circles. And on my chin, and on my nose, and my forehead, even though I really don't need to. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly set my face, and I'm using the Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder. Usually I don't bake, but recently I have been baking and it's been giving my under eyes life. So to get rid of the cakey, powdery effect that the translucent powder leaves on my face, I'm going to go ahead and spritz my face with the Badescu setting spray. It's not really a setting spray, but you can use it as a setting spray. After my face has dried from the setting spray that I sprayed on it, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown and the powder in dark brown with the number 12 brush. Usually I do my eyebrows before I do my foundation, but in my opinion it's faster if you do your foundation and then you do your eyebrows. I have no idea how, so I've adopted that trick. Using my Morphe M432 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal under my eyes. So for my eyes, I'm using two shadows from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Why did I have to look at that as if I don't know what this is? But I'm using burnt orange, and I'm gonna use red ochre. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. I'm gonna use the Sigma E40 brush and tap that in. And yeah, let's do this. So to pack on the red ochre shade, I'm using the Sigma E25 brush. I'm gonna go back to the E40 brush that we use for the transition area. Use a little bit more burnt orange and blend out these edges so it looks very soft and smooth. Once I did the other eye off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and take the same brush I used for my lid for the red ochre shade, and just using whatever's left on the brush, just putting that underneath on my lower lash line area. Contour my face. I'm using the Anastasia contour kit, and I'm using the two deepest shades. I'm using this one and this one on this side, and I'm using my Real Techniques brush. Anybody else ready for spring? I'm so ready for spring and spring makeup, and to always look dewy and glowy. And oh my god, am I excited for spring fashion, like so excited. I'm using a little bit of blush on my face, and I'm using the NARS Outlaw. It's such a pretty deep pink shade, just a very light amount to add color and warmth back into my skin. What is this? The highlighter that I'm using actually is the So Hollywood Illuminizing highlighter from Anastasia, and just a random fan brush that I have in my collection. Now we gotta look dewy and glowy for spring, so I'm putting this highlighter on my chin, on my nose, my forehead, basically everywhere, so we can have a very glowy and dewy look to our face. I'm gonna apply some mascara. Usually I just use mascara, but with this makeup you can definitely pop on some false lashes, some very natural false lashes if you want, or very dramatic, just depending on what you're going for. But this is basically like my everyday spring dewy makeup, and this is what I've been doing recently, and people have been loving it. All my friends just seem to love this. I'm gonna apply a lip gloss because I am a lip gloss type of girl, and I'm using the ColourPop lip gloss in VIP Ipsy. Yes, such a nice natural pink color. And we can't forget to set our face. That concludes the spring makeup tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this fresh dewy spring makeup look, be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. Let me know down in the description box, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!